Hello there, Mr. Sutton here, bringing you the IM379 Part 1 homework solutions on cosine and sine.
For number one, I'm trying to find the cosine of negative 90 degrees. So just thinking of where this is 90 clockwise, so we're at the bottom of the unit circle, and cosine is the x value, so that x value is going to be 0. For sine of 3 pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, that's 270, that's down here at the bottom of the unit circle, and sine is asking about the y value down there, so that's going to be negative 1. For number 3, we're asking for the sine of 90 degrees. So we're at the top of the unit circle, and sine is asking about the y value there. That's going to be positive 1. For number 4, we're trying to find the cosine of pi over 2. So pi over 2, that's at the top of the unit circle. That's really 90 degrees. Cosine is asking for the x value, so that's going to be 0 since we're right on the y-axis. For number 5, we're asking for the sine of 4 pi. So 4 pi, that's going around the circle 2 times. So this is 2 pi, and then go around another 2 pi. You've got 4 pi. So you're actually at 0 when all is said and done. And we're asking for the y value there, which is 0. For this one, we're trying to figure out the cosine of 360. So 360 is right here. It's coterminal with 0. And for cosine, we're asking what the x value is there. So this is going to be an x value of 1. We're 1 to the right of the origin. So cosine of 360 is 1. On this problem, we're trying to find the sine of pi radians. Pi is over here. It's 180 degrees. And for sine, we're asking for the y value. The y value on the x-axis is going to be 0. On this problem, I want the cosine of pi over 6 radians. So let me convert that to degrees first. 180 divided by 6 is 30 degrees. So then this is going to be cosine of 30 degrees, which is one of our special values. That's just root 3 over 2. For this problem, we want the cosine of 180, which is right here on the left side of the unit circle. Cosine is asking about the x value. Over here, that's going to be negative 1. On this problem, we want the sine of negative 3 pi over 2 radians. So negative 3 pi over 2, that's like having negative 270. If you go 270 clockwise, you end up at 90 degrees. So this is really equivalent to pi over 2 or 90 degrees. Sine is asking about the y value up there, and that is going to be 1. For this problem, we're asking about the cosine at 270 degrees. That's down here at the bottom of the unit circle. And since we're doing x values for cosine, that's going to be an x value right there of 0 since we're on the y-axis.